Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET. Today I'm going to be making a halter top which got inspired by this beauty, the Kylie Jenner. I quite like the top here, what she has on, and the way she styled it. It's quite sexy and elegant. So I might as well just make one of these in maroon version. I'm gonna use this shell pattern to create this top. So it's very simple stitches and easy to make. So what do we need for this project? We will need obviously the yarn. This is a nylon yarn in deep red color or a wine color. I'm gonna be making the top with the crochet hook number 4. So it's suitable for this thick yarn. And the rest you will need the tape measure, pair cutter, the yarn needles. This ring here, I want to use it on top of the crochet top here. She doesn't have it, but I'm gonna be adding this on the top part and some stitch markers. To start with, I need to show you the designs that we need to achieve. So I would need the length and the width in the same size. So I need 13 inches by 13 inches. And to start with, we need to grab the yarn, and then I'll leave the end for sewing around 6-7 centimeters. Do the slip knot, and then just change. I would go for 50 chains to make it 13 inches. I've done 13 inches of the chains, and then we need to start the pattern. So the pattern here is very simple. You will need to chain 3 more, and then the 4th crochet chains from the hook, you just do the double crochets and do 1 more double crochets, and after that you skip 2 stitches and go to the 3rd one with single crochets, and then skip 2 stitches, go to the 3rd one with 5 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our first shell, and then just skip 2 stitches, go to the 3rd one with single crochets, and then just repeat. By skip 2 stitches, go to the 3rd one with 5 double crochets. So just keep repeating this. You do 5 double crochets in the same stitch, skip 2, and then do 1 single crochet on the 3rd one, skip 2, do 5 single crochet on the 3rd one, and keep repeating this until you reach the last stitch. And I have the last 3 stitches left, so I will go here and do 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So the length of this piece is 13 inches. So you see I have ended up with 3 double crochet in the same stitch, the same as when we started with the after 3 chains and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fans altogether. This is 13 inches length. If you need to make another size, you just have to keep adding the chain. So 1 of this shell you will need, so one shell or 1 fan, you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches to make 1 fan. So just consider this for another size. And for row 2 you need to turn the work and chain 1, do single crochet on the first stitch, and then where you did single crochet from the previous row, you just go for 5 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first shell of the second row, and then you need to do 1 single crochet in the middle of this shell. So I will go on this one, do single crochet, and then the rest just repeat. Where you have the single crochet from the previous row, just do 5 double crochets. And on top of the next shell you just do 1 single crochet in the middle part here, and then 5 double crochets, single crochet in this part. Just keep repeating until you reach the end of this row, so you will end up having 1 single crochet on top of the last stitch here. Here's the end of row 2. And row 3 you just need to repeat row 1 by chain 3. You turn the work and do 2 more double crochets on the first stitch, and single crochet in the middle part of this shell. And from the previous row you did single crochet here, you just go for 5 double crochets in the same stitch. So exactly the same as row 1. Keep repeating this until you reach the last stitch, and then turn the work and repeat row 2. Keep continue doing these stitches until you reach the length of 13 inches. Alright, so I've done this piece. So the measurement of this bottom part here is 13 inches, and on the side it's also 13 inches. So now I've positioned this piece in this shape, and I will show you the design. So after you've done this piece, you need to position this crochet piece like this. And now we need to do this part here. So grab the ring. I'm not gonna cut any yarn off, so we're just gonna continue doing the top part from here. Let's get the ring. So you can't use anything similar to this. To insert the ring on this top part, I will put the yarn through like this, and then just do single crochet, and keep doing this all the way around. So just keep going with the single crochet until you get the rings covered. So you can use any rings you might as well, just use the smaller one. So the ring got covered, and I will do the slip stitch on this part where we started. Chain 1, cut off the yarn, and then we will weave these ends in. So the ring is done. I have weaved in the ends. Now we need to do the string for the top. I will start from the side here. So basically you just need to connect the yarn. Just reconnect the yarn on the side. So one side I have done, and I will do the other side, opposite side. You just need to get the yarn like this, tie it. And then I only do the chains. I have the yarn here, it's quite thick, it's nylon yarn, so I'm just going to use only 1 strand of yarn. If you think you might need a thicker strap, so you just go for 2 strands of yarn, or you can just do the chains for the length of 20 to 23 inches, and on the way back you can do the single crochets. For me, this yarn is quite thick already, so I'm just gonna use only one strand of yarn. So I will do this for the length of 22 or 23 inches, so exactly the same as the other side. And for this top part here, I will do only chains. So I have done the string. This is only one strand of yarns as well, and the length of this part here, it's around 38 inches. So I will put this on top like this, and when you wear it, you just tie it on the back. So it's very simple and easy top to make. Alright guys, so the top is completed. So it's very easy to make, nothing too complicated. What you need to do is just a basic square for 13 inches by 13 inches, and then do the straps on the side. I have attached the rings here on the top of this piece, and then just do the chain to do the strap for the neck. So that's it guys, I really hope you like the tutorial. It's very easy piece to make, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I still have many more designs to come, and don't forget to share the pictures of your works if you ever follow any of my videos on my Instagram under POMCLOSET name, and I can share your work. So I will see you then in the next video.